Hi everyone, so I have an event that I'm going to tonight, so I thought it'd be fun to film my very first transformation video, where I'm gonna go from like a 3 to a 5. And it's not like one of those Instagram model girls who's like, oh my god, like, I'm like a 6 on a good day. No, this is like legitimate 3 status to 5 status. So stay tuned if you want to see more. Alright, so I decided I am gonna put on a little bit of self-tanner. I'm gonna use Bondi Sands on a mint. Yeah. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair now, which is one of my least favorite parts about getting ready because I get sweaty and gross. But you gotta do it. I really wanted to get a blowout, but we're balling on a budget today. And I also wanted to let you guys know I like to put on a little bit of this Laneige sleep mask. I put it on at night, but I also love doing it in the daytime and like while I'm getting ready. And it's like my favorite lip product I've ever used. The Laneige stuff is so good. They have one that comes in a little tube, and I have that one also in pear. It's a little thinner, but so great. And then right when I got out of the shower, I put a little bit of Olaplex number 6 on. This is nice because unlike the 3, which you use in the shower before you shampoo and conditioner, they say you can use like twice a week, but it's expensive and you use it up so fast because you're supposed to like soak your head in it. So this one's better because you just use a little bit when you get out and it lasts forever. And I really do feel like it helps my hair stay less frizzy and yada yada. So I'm just gonna time lapse through this below dry. I'm 100% already sweating, and that's why I do this before I put on my makeup. Okay, I think I'm done with my least favorite step. Also, especially today, it was painful because I drank a little bit too much last night because my friend was in town and staying at my house, and we decided we wanted to have a night, and I'm still struggling. All right, so, and I'm just gonna straighten my hair and just time lapse through this. So if you guys hear anything in the background, that's Gergie and my friend Megan's here. We were just discussing about if 33 is too old to move to New York. What do you guys think? I say no. Never too late. So I just did some rose water. And then I like to do my setting spray before I put my makeup on. Oh my gosh, Megan, I want to talk to them about how much I liked Pikachu.
I loved Pikachu.
Thank you for agreeing with me on that.
I want to be Pikachu for Halloween.
It was just like 10 out of 10. The Pokemon were so cute, and Ryan Reynolds is just such a delight. The acting, some parts of the acting like weren't that great. Like, I don't know if the lead was like that great of an actor, but
The girl?
no, the boy.
Oh, the boy.
Yeah, but he was still cute.
Yeah, I thought he was sort of bratty.
Fair. So I'm doing this Touche Eclat all-in-one, and then I've been liking to put a couple drops of this Cover Effects in it. Oh my gosh, I also didn't even explain like where I'm going tonight. So I've never mentioned on here before, but I'm a lawyer begrudgingly, and there's this event tonight that the Bar Association puts on, and it's like black tie.
Black tie?
Yeah. And it's at this fancy hotel called the Breakers. So that's what we're doing. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Had some drama to this. Shoot, if it rains on my hair, oh honey. I'm not good with that. So that was just Shape Tape and light sand under my eyes. I told you guys earlier that we went out last night and still feeling rough. Also, I'm sorry, this lighting is not that great. I got Botox for the first time and I just did it right here, which is called the Globella or something like that. And it actually, well, first off, I went in for like a full body skin check, which I always hate. I literally like pass out and I had to get 2 biopsies and I had to lay on the chair for like 10 minutes afterwards because I thought I was gonna die. And then literally as I was like thinking I was gonna die, I got the Botox shot in me. And it hurt, and now I have these 2 like disgusting scabs on my back, and I'm afraid one of them actually like shows in my dress, but you know what? I got the results back and they're not cancerous, so that's good. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of cloud paint in Puff. This is my favorite cloud paint, but I think I have like almost every color.
What's cloud paint?
From Glossier, you don't have this?
No.
Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite product from them. This is the NARS eyeshadow primer. This is my favorite primer ever. Because my eyes just like absorb everything. Oh, this is Glossier Boy Brow in Blonde, I think. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Medium Brown. I've been using,
Classic.
yes. You know that though, I've been using this for so many years and the packaging used to be so much better. Like, the packaging was legit and now it's so flimsy and I've had a million of these just break.
Too.
Yeah, they redid the packaging and it's crappy now.
Oh.
And they didn't make it cost any less, so it's a scam. Still waiting for more information on the Taylor Swift album because she just dropped her single and literally has like not done anything else. The anticipation is killing me. This I love. This is the YSL. Shoot, it doesn't. Oh yeah, it does. Oh, the waterproof eye pencil, and this stuff is like 100% waterproof. So you can put it in the, you know, in your tight line, waterline, and it's the kind you can sharpen, not the kind that's like the twist up. Because they have 2 versions, but this one's better. This is where I'm trying to go dramatic and I get scared. So it's 4:31. I need to leave here at about 5:10. Oh my gosh, also this palette's busted and is now all over me. Ugh. Brought my activated charcoal pills in here so I can take them and not get hungover. So I like to take it a dark shadow under here, and I don't like to do my tight line on the bottom because I feel like it makes your eyes look more open. Alright, so my camera turned off, but I was talking about how I'm going to use these Lily lashes. And these are, they say they're cruelty free, so I hope they are because it says that they're mink. Alright, so I think we're done. just gonna do a shit ton of more all-nighter. And then I have to do my lips. This is, I don't know if I like this, but it's this by Terry Velvet Rouge liquid lip. Okay, trying to get some good lighting. So I want to show you all my undergarments because in my opinion that is a crucial part of formal dressing. So we're going to do 2 pairs of Spanx because that's what's up. And I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do this situation. It's like backless and low cut or just some little pasty things. But I will let you know. Alright, so I think we decided we're going with the pasties because the other one was like just too booby and like pushed up a lot. And then these Schuts shoes. Is that how you say it? Schuts? Yeah. And just these little earrings from ASOS, which I can link below. And this dress is from Lulu's. They're like $84. I'm sure like I wouldn't be surprised if other people have Lulu's dresses on because it's cheap and like easy to get. And people were complaining because there's these little plastic things, but I think it's nice because then you can adjust the straps. So yeah, and then we'll do like a full body look. And last thing I always like to do is a little bit of this Copacabana bronze oil. This is from that Bum Bum company. Okay, my one issue with this is that it's super sticky. So that's not great, but it smells really good and I like the way it looks. And it's cheaper than the Rihanna like body oil stuff. So this is the finished look. Got the dress, shoes, earrings. Are you panicking?
Can I turn it like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Gorgeous.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
All right. Bye.